In this video, I'm going to show you how to blend animations in Unreal Engine 5. So let's get started. We'll open our BP third person character, and anywhere on the event graph, we're going to call the left mouse button. We're going to get the press execution node and connect it to the do once macro. We're going to create a custom event, which I'm going to call reset punch. And we're going to connect it to the reset of the do once. On the completer of the do once, we're going to call the function play montage. For this, we're going to get the mesh component and connect it to the in-skeletal mesh component. Then we're going to get uncompleted. We're going to call the function reset punch. Then to prevent any bug, we're going to connect the uninterrupted node to the reset punch. And now we're going to need a montage to play. So for that, I have this animation. We're going to browse the asset. And here we're going to right click, create, anim montage. Then we go back to our character. And from here, we can just drag it onto the montage to play. Now, as you can see, if I press the left button, it's gonna jab. But as you can see, it doesn't seem right because I'm moving and the legs stop moving. So it looks wacky, but we'll fix that. Now we're gonna search for the anim blueprint, which is gonna be on the character, mesh, and on the details tab, animation, anim class. And we open it. Now on the anim graph, we're going to make some space between the control rig and the slot default. We're going to get the return node and look for new save cache pose, which we're going to call full locomotion. Now we're going to call the full locomotion and we're going to connect it to the layer blend per bone. With the layer blend per bone selected, we're going to go to the details tab, and here on layer setup, we're going to keep hitting the arrows until we find this branch filters. We're going to add an element, then again more arrows, and here on the bone name, I'm going to type the spine 01 bone. This part is case sensitive, so in case you're using a different skeleton, you can always just search it up. And as you can see here, you have your bone names, which in my case, I'm going to use the spine 01 because I want the animation starting to blend from spine 01 to the rest of the bones. So we go back to the animation blueprint, and then we're just going to copy and paste the full locomotion. We're also going to copy and paste the slot default slot. Now with the slot selected, we're going to go to the details tab. And here change from default slot to upper body. And then we'll connect it to blend poses 0. And then the layer blend per bone, we're going to connect it to the control ray. And that's it for the animation blueprint. We just need to find the animation, find the montage. And then here on the default slot, we're just going to change the slot name to upper body. It's going to go into an A pose. You just have to move this and it'll refresh. So we go back to the third person map, hit play. And as you can see, now we're running and the animation is going to be played while the character is also running. You can use this on an infinite ways. For instance, instead of the spine, it can be only the arm. So we go back to the animation blueprint, layer blend per bone, and type clavicle R. And now as you can see, it's just the arm moving. The left arm and the spine doesn't move at all. That'll be all for this tutorial. If you like it, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.